What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday, and guess what we have in the house? We have a set of cookware. Oh, this is one of my favorite things. This is from Ciwete. We looked at some of their cookware in the past. This is a new set. It's Tri-Ply, and it has something very unique. It has a little copper element without the copper hassle, right? So join me. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So I call this cookware sweet, right? Only because I like to say sweet. It's C-I-W-E-T-E. We looked at a set from them in the past. It was a disc bottom set, beautiful 10-piece set, but we got Tri-Ply in the house today. And this set has something really interesting. It's copper on the outside. The cookware isn't copper, but it gives you that beautiful copper look, and you don't have the hassle of the copper maintenance, right? So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Ciwete for sending this. I'll put links down there in the description. Oh, I love new cookware. Nothing like the smell of new cookware. Cookies, bread, and new cookware. So we have the holidays. I know it's barely getting to be fall yet, but we are at the beginning of the holiday season.
Because the birds are eating like garbage.
Yeah. The weather's going to be starting to cool off. Cooking season's gearing up. Everybody's going back to school. And it's time to make lunches and dinners and all that fun stuff. And we're heading into the holidays. So this is a perfect time to assess what you got going in the kitchen. Look at your equipment and start gathering the stuff you need for the upcoming holidays. So there's a little user manual. This is a 10-piece set. This is a little thank you card with their contact information. Oh. Yeah. This set is kind of unique. You know, copper is the best conductor of heat. And if you want the best performance, you're going to go with copper cookware. The problem is there tends to be a little bit more maintenance to copper cookware. It will get a patina over time. It may or not be harder to clean. Straight stainless steel, a Tri-Ply set is really the way that I like to go. This set is interesting because it gives you the copper feeling in a Tri-Ply set, so you won't necessarily have those issues with this kind of cookware. Look at that.
That's pretty.
That is cool. Look at that. So that has copper color on the outside. It's Tri-Ply, so there's no disc on the bottom. One thing you can tell with cookware, disc bottom cookware, you will literally see the disc down there. You'll see it. It's bonded onto the bottom. If you see cookware that's continuous like that, that's Tri-Ply, and that's what we're looking for. So in here you have the measurements up the side of the pan. These are beautiful. These are really, really nice. So this is a saucepan, and this you would use, you can make a small amount of soup in this. You can make your oatmeal in this. This is like one of the most versatile pieces. Here's a lid that goes to something else. It's too small to fit on that one. Here's another lid. What's great about stainless steel lids is these could go in the oven. If it's glass, you're not going to want to put it in the oven because it'll break it. Woo, okay, so here is a small saucepan. This is a nice set because I'm going to tell you, I was looking just for a saucepan. To buy a saucepan alone, they're really expensive. The fact that you get this in this budget-friendly set is amazing. So let me get the rest of these out. Whoa. 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 Okay. Wow. Okay, so this here is obviously a stock pot. And we have a lid in here. Really nice. So this must go to another one. Let's see here. Whoa. Nice, beautiful stock pot. We're going to be doing some pasta in this. Wow, that is beautiful. So you have the copper on the outside, the beautiful interior. That is really fun to have that copper in there. So we have this lid that probably goes to this. Okay. We have another big saucepan. Wow. Really, really nice. There's the lid for that. Here's the lid for that. Really nice. Wow, so this comes with like these 3 saucepan vessels. This is a pretty amazing set. So we have a small skillet. Look at that copper. That's cool. And we have this one. Another beautiful. So you can cook a couple pieces of chicken in this, throw it in the oven, then put some pasta in there. Really nice. So now that we have this all out, one of the things I can see about this set, I can say it's saucepan intensive, right? And what I mean by that is all the time when I'm cooking for the holidays, I run out of saucepans. Like might be making my cranberry sauce. I might be heating a little bit of stock for my stuffing. I might be making, some corn off the cob or a vegetable or something. And I'm always running short on saucepans. So this is actually not only a good starter set, because you do have your fry pans, your stock pots, and your saucepans. If you have other cookware, this is a great holiday add-on to your normal collection because it is heavy on these saucepans. So you got this nice six quart stock pot. You can make your pastas, you can make your stock in this, but it comes with these 3 saucepans. So you have your 2 quart saucepan. This is your basic, your workhorse in your kitchen. Beautiful, right? You can make your oatmeal in the morning in this. But it also comes with 2 3-quarts, and they're sort of a little different shape. So this one is a little narrower, which means it's not going to reduce as fast. So if you want to heat up your stock for your stuffing or something like that, this is going to retain the moisture longer because it's not going to reduce because it's narrower. This is another 3-quart saucepan, but it's a little bit wider than that one. This one's going to reduce a little bit more. So this is perfect for your cranberry sauce because it'll allow it to reduce a little bit, come thicker and thicker. Fantastic, right? We have our 8 and 10-inch frying pans. This is for your basic, you want to make eggs in the morning. You're single and you want to do a small amount of food. You want to, caramelize a little bit of onions, cook a little onion. You can do that in here for another dish. When you're talking about a 10-inch fry pan, this is one of your fundamental pieces. So, wow, this set is amazing. So it's induction ready. You can use it on all types of stove tops. You can use it on gas, electric, and induction. You might want to use an induction burner, and you can use this on that. It has these nice V handles here. If you can see that keeps the heat, dissipates the heat off the pan, keeps the handles cooler. Really nice shaped handle that fits nice in your hand. This set is really cool, and I love the copper. Makes me feel like I'm cooking with copper without the maintenance, right? So, awesome. So stay tuned. We're going to do a spaghetti with an olive oil and garlic sauce. It's so simple. You can put it together on a weeknight. We're going to do that with this set. We're going to boil off our pasta in here, and we're going to cook the sauce that it goes with in here, topped with delicious Parmesan, right? A foundational pasta dish that's absolutely delicious. So stay tuned. Our next upload is going to be that dish. Thank you for joining me. It's Wednesday. Thank you. I hope you enjoy this. Links will be down in the description if you want to take a look at it.